Cayenne pepper used externally in either a liniment, oil, or salve increases blood flow to joints and muscles. This increased blood flow helps bring in oxygen and nutrients to nourish the area and removes waste products from the area to relieve pain. The increased warmth also helps relax the muscles and relieve the pain. For strained muscles, using cayenne topically 2 or 3 times a day can give you relief and speed healing. Because arthritis is usually progressive and often causes permanent damage to a joint, cayenne will not cure the arthritis, but it can decrease the pain when used once or twice daily on a routine basis. To help sore throat pain, add a few drops of cayenne tincture to a glass of warm water and gargle. Peppers like hot weather, and in the United States, they are an annual plant, so you will have to replant every year. Plant them in your garden or in a pot in mid to late June after the threat of cold weather has long passed.